Sixth grade, it's Mrs. Lott again, just here to wrap up class today. Even though I wasn't there online, I was there live, and I bet you guys worked hard today. These clues were really awesome. They helped you think, they helped you review geography, but it was also a fun teamwork effort to get into the box. I'm hoping that most teams or all teams got in and you got to see what was inside for you. So I wanted to wrap up our class with a few things today. Number one is revisiting that question we asked at the start of class. So you had a number on your hand, and it was either a 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, and the question is, how fun is learning? And based on today's class in social studies, I want you now to hold up a number on your hand that shows how fun you think learning is. So go ahead and do that now. My hope is that that number went up, even if it was just by one or two. I hope that your number went up, because these breakout activities are just so much fun. And I hope that you'll get a chance to do at least 1 or 2 more this year in different classes. All right, so we're moving along. Okay, so here's the really important thing, really, really important. You guys are now in middle school. You are asked for your maturity beyond elementary school now that we're a couple of months into the year. So today you have had a chance to really have fun and figure out this activity, but you need to realize that more classes, other classes, are doing this same thing today. If you were to share any information or answers with them about these locks, you would absolutely ruin that experience for them. So I need you to take this seriously, and I need you to please follow up with a promise. And that promise is to not share any information about this activity, at least until next week. Okay, today's Friday. I want you to wait until next week. If it was still like super important that you need to talk about it on Monday. So please don't share any answers with anybody throughout the day. So I actually want you to do this with me right now. You're going to hold up your right hand. Let's see if it goes out. There we go. Hold up your right hand, and I want you to repeat after me. You're going to say this: I promise not to share any information about today's activity with any other 6th grader until at least Monday. Okay, you made a promise. I need you to follow up on that promise, and that promise is very respectful to the learning of your peers. So that is the end of our time today. Let me see what else is still up here. Yes, indeed, we rock. You need to see this before you leave. All right, you do rock. I hope you had an awesome time, and you will have some, if you haven't yet done it, you'll have some reflection time, but I'm guessing if you're watching this, it's at the very end of class and you guys already completed that.